Hello friends, in this video I intend to teach you how to register with the Axi Broker. You enter the Forex Brokers section, select the Axi Broker and click on Go to Website. You enter the website and click on Open Account. In the next section, you select your country of residence. In the next step, you enter your country of residence, email address, first name, and last name, and finally, your mobile phone number. You click on Continue. In the next step, you select your account type and click on Open Account, and then the currency you work with, the platform you work with, along with the leverage. In the next step, you choose a title for your name and then enter your first and last name. If you want to make changes, click on Edit. Then you enter your email address, mobile phone number, date of birth, and nationality. And finally, click on Next. In the next step, you enter complete information about your address, and then click on Next. The next step is to enter your employment status, and click on Next. In the next step, you enter your income status and click on Next. In the final step, you confirm the website's terms by checking this option and click on Submit. Friends, please note that a username and password will be sent to you via email for the Axi website, which you need to log in. After entering your username and password, you will access your account. To work with the Axi website, you must provide documents such as an ID card, birth certificate, passport, etc. Good luck.